Hey guys, what's going on? So in this video I'm going to show you how to make this new model I just designed. Check it out. It's an origami ice cream cone finger puppet. See? So you just stick your finger into this pocket right here. See? And it fits on really nicely just like that. Isn't that cool? And I'm going to show you how to fold it. Alright, ready, set, here goes. Okay, so for this ice cream cone finger puppet, I'm going to use a 6-inch square of kami. So let's begin color side up, and we're gonna fold in half, and you could make the whole fold, but actually I'm just gonna make 2 crease marks on both sides right here. This is just what makes one of the steps a little bit easier, but you can certainly fold all the way across. It's not gonna, it'll still look exactly the same. Okay, and I'll fold this edge to the 2 crease marks, and this white part, that's gonna become the ice cream. And this is the cone. Okay, alright, now comes a kind of tricky step. What we're going to do is we're going to fold this up, and you want this to be equal to that, so we're going to make thirds. And this is why I made 2 crease marks, because it'll be easier to make this step. Because if I made a whole fold all the way across, it'll be a little bit harder, but it doesn't matter. Okay, so anyways, fold it like this, and fold this part behind, and you just want to just fiddle with the fold until you're happy with it, so nudge them back and forth until your thirds are just right. And there we go. Looks like I got it. So once you did that, pinch like that. Alright, and now fold this edge to this pinch mark right here. Okay, unfold, and fold this edge to this crease. Okay, and now we're going to stick one flap inside the other, and I don't think it matters which one. So I'm going to stick this flap inside of this flap. So let's open this pocket right here and tuck this inside, like this. Kind of curl it in there to get it all the way in there. Okay, make sure it's flat. Okay, like this. And now fold this part up over that edge. This, and now unfold and rotate like this, and now we're gonna fold this edge to here, but don't actually fold it all the way across. Make a crease mark on each side, so one here and one here, like that. Okay, and now fold it up so that the 2 crease marks align with this edge, and this fold you can fold all the way across. Okay, just like that. Alright. And now what we're gonna do is we're gonna make a pleat right here. So we're gonna take this and we're gonna just fold it up like this. And how far do you want to fold it up? Well, let's look on the side here. You want to fold it up so that the fold we're making, so that point right there, lands in the middle of this section. So from this crease mark right here to this point, so this point right here needs to land in the middle. Just eyeball it, doesn't need to be perfect. But yeah, once you got it, crease that nice and sharp. I mean, you can probably do it with tape if you want. I think that's good right there. And repeat right here too, so on this crease. So make this fold right here, and the same thing. And this mountain fold, it should be touching this fold right here, like this. So yeah, same thing. Crease that nice and sharp. Okay, like that. Alright, now we're gonna fold this part in half, but we're not gonna fold it all the way. We're just gonna make a light fold about this much, like this. Alright, and now comes one of the most challenging steps. So we're going to take this part and we're going to fold it so that this point touches that light fold we made. And we're going to make a squash fold right here. And you want the squash, when you squash it, you want this edge right here to align with this edge right here. And this is challenging, so yep. So once you got it, make that fold nice and sharp. It's alright if it doesn't look very clean. Just squash it however it flattens like that. This is the back of the finger puppet, so you don't need to look at this side. Alright, and repeat that on this side. So you can actually fold this point to that point. Oh, that point right here. But still, just still make sure you're perfect. Make the squash perfect like that. Oh, increase it like this. Okay, now we're gonna do a similar thing on the white part, the ice cream part. But this you can actually do it to taste. But the squash needs to be the same though. So when you squash it, make sure that the edges right here align. And yeah, make sure this is a slanted fold too. It'll look better that way. Or maybe those edges, they don't need to align all the way. I mean, this is the back of the finger puppet, so it doesn't really matter. Just do the best you can. Okay, and repeat on this side. Okay. Alright, just make sure that everything is sharp like this. And once you did that, here is our ice cream cone finger puppet. So yeah. And to put it on your finger, you just open this pocket. I'm gonna do the topmost slot. There's multiple slots, and I'm gonna do the top one, and you can just stick your finger right in there like that. See? All right. So if you like it like this, and you're done. But if you want to add some rounding to it right here, then let's just fold these 2 points in to taste, like this. You don't need to do this if you don't want to. Same on this side too. Okay, like that. And now it's round. And yep, and it still works just like that. And yeah, and maybe you can make ice cream cones for all 10 of your fingers. So you can have ice cream cone claws. And yeah. Oh, and this model was actually inspired by these 2 ice cream cone flickers right here. So yeah, so I made a finger puppet version of them. And yeah, and I think this is really cool. And yeah, let's see if it's a flicker actually. Yeah, not really. It's got all these flaps sticking up. It's not meant to fly. So anyways, there you have it. Alright, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Hope you're able to fold this. And make sure you subscribe and let me know what you think. Alright, see you guys later.